Welcome back to Custom Tom. I'm Tom, as you can tell. Few changes. It's been a while for one, so now welcome back, obviously. Now I wanted to upload some decent ride videos, but never bothered doing when working back on the bike, so it's a bit boring that is. You've all seen that, one of my first videos actually. I've got 281 subscribers, which is fantastic. Also, I have decided to pull the bike apart again. This time I'm going to properly take everything apart, powder coat the frame and stuff like that, and just totally gut it, clean it up, get it all nice, and hopefully make it look brand new, if I can. I probably won't be diving into the engine that much, or gearbox, because well, it runs totally fine. I'll obviously paint, well, I will paint it, change the bolts, we'll plate them, and do the valve clearances again, because that was a good video for people to watch. So I'll just quickly breeze over that one, maybe do a 1 or 2 part video. So there's that. Also, I've got my merchandise. I'm going to just switch to another camera. So here I am, merchandise, Custom Tom. I should have some stickers coming too. I got this from me online store, which is on my about page, I think. If not, it'll be on there by the time you watch this video. So there's that. I've got another camera, a little one like this. And just see how you turn it on. Right then, you turn it on there. Yep, light. Green. Right. So yeah, we've got another one. And this one, it's literally just for close-in shots, so you go on the head like so, with a band. I think I've got one actually. Yep. Gonna look a bit of a tool for a second. Some people might argue I do anyway. Today, right then. Stick the ears out, see if we can get her on and get it working properly. I could put the GoPro on there, but it's just bulkier, isn't it? So, right then, do look a dick. And there's on the front you got your logo that you see at the start page, start intro. And at the back, just another bit of Custom Tom. So all this kind of stuff, go in any of the colours that you can select on there. Anyway, I don't know if this is going to, this works. It's literally the first time I've used it, so I'll just walk you around and hopefully you can get some decent shots with this. I don't know. Audio might be a bit shite, but I'll sort that out another day. Right then, so need to clean the bike. I have got, it has got, there we go, 49,464,000 miles on it. 49,634 miles. So there's that. Sorting this throttle out, it's a bit too sticky. I think it's the throttle grip. I've got a choke to sort out because that's buggered. That's broke. I've got all parts in my spares bit down there. You know, obviously good clean up. I've had my wheels powder coated and new tyres popped on. I want to get the shock. I'll get my lamp. I'll have a walk around. I'll turn that off before I waste battery. I might get a new battery. Get different seat covers, because this Alcantara, it's probably fake Alcantara, just cheapest type of stuff you can possibly buy. I won't get new seat covers because I need it matched to the frame really, because like I say, all this stuff's going to be painted, powder coated black. The shock needs doing. I'm going to have that serviced and get a decent spring for it. Keeping the exhaust. I want to modify this under tray a bit because there's all holes in it, and I want to make a nice. I want to make that flush there and have a nice bracket coming off of the number plate, so I can have a bit of a different angle. So that's a bit too straight for me, so I'll have it there, a bit bent. So I need a decent. Good job I'm not on the road, we're on low, so that must be pads. Yeah, pads a bit off. Right, I'm having all new pads anyway. I want new rear sets. These are just cheap Chinese things. The only Chinese thing I need in my yard. New master cylinder for the front, hopefully. Like I say, it all depends on budget. Could get a new one. New chain and sprocket. I'll mess with the gearing. I've taken my Chinese tank cap off because it was shy. So I might have to do something with that. I might just polish this up. I need a new ignition barrel because it just comes straight out when the ignition's on, so there's that. I want to get rid of these indicators. My lad jumped on that one for some reason, I don't know why. Well, tried to pick himself up with it. I want to get indicators in the mirrors. I need to sort this light out because I've got a broken bit of. Oh, it's broken two places by the looks of it. So I've got a broken headlight bracket there. I want to sort that out. I need a new one of them because that broke. The tap. What else is there then? Carb upgrade, front spring upgrade. I'm going to get this powder coated. I'd like to get different clocks, but it's not a must, is it? Like I say, front wheel has been powder coated. Do need to sort these out again, clean them up again. New pads in the front. Getting more springs than I used to anyway, so that might be because there are better bearings in there. And I'll see where it's rubbing against. It does feel quite free, to be fair, but nevertheless. So yeah, if I just want it cleaned up, get a new radiator, make it look proper, like it's just rolled out. Like it's just rolled out of the factory. I probably won't, but I'm doing my best. I've got a decent paint scheme in mind, these peel off. Which will probably just mean I've got to scuff this up and paint over it because I'm keeping the green. There are just a few bits I need to touch up. And if you can see down here, I'm getting close. See down here, I need to touch that bit up. This bit's rough here, so that needs touching up. I want to get rid of these holes, so they need filling in. So these two sides will need painting. This is a different colour, even though it's from the same can. I don't know what I've done there. Well, I've done something wrong. That's a different colour, that needs painting. Don't know what good colour for, colour-wise for the sides, so I'll have a good look. I'll probably fill these in if I get indicators in the mirrors. Had a crack here. A few scuffs here. And I just noticed this thing here, like a crease there. That might just be in the paint. Yeah, it's in the paint, that is. Paint the engine. Good service. And that should be a decent project, just in time for summer, for the season to restart. I'm trying to do a nut and bolt restoration, so who knows. I think that's all we've got time for today. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, please do so. Every little helps. I haven't set up a Patreon or anything like that. I did get a message the other day about someone wanting to donate money to a Take this off now. I don't know if it's worked. And so someone's asked to donate money to me under Cash App, it's called. I haven't got that. I'm not going to get that. I don't want people to spend money on me just yet. If you want, like I say, if you want their stuff, I only get a little tiny bit of profit from it. So, you know, just buy me tools and stuff for the bike project. Move this camera. Got a few little updates as well for me that I've upgraded my toolbox. And it goes up there as well. So I've got a nice new set of tools. It's Halfords Advanced. And just a few bits and bobs. Still, I didn't want to spend 15 quid per sheet in there, so I just got some insulation and did that. I was going to paint it, but it just makes it too brittle, so that'll do. A few bits and bobs, like I say. I would like more tools, but I don't know what else I'd need. So yeah. So that's it from me. I've been Custom Tom. Goodbye. Bye.